Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create a collection which will show your product as a separate variant. Meaning if you have a product with 4 different colors, it is going to show 4 different variant on that collection. Let me give you an example. So that is how the default collection works. So I've created a collection called collection 2 and it does show this product where this product have red, green, orange and black color, right? And now there's another collection which is by the name of collection 1, where I have created a custom section, which I'll show you guys how you can add on your own theme completely for free. No need to pay, no need to subscribe to any newsletter, no need to learn how to code. You'll be able to just add the section, which will display every single color as a separate variant on your collection page. You can see that is the product name, that is the color name, that is the pricing for that specific variant. And if I click on this view product here, it's going to take me to that specific variant, meaning that specific black color, which I clicked on. Now let's test it on these other colors as well. If I click on green, it is going to take me to that green color now. If I go to the backend section settings, you can see that is the section show variant as separate products. I've created this template, which I'll also show you how to create and assign to your collection. And if I click on that section, we have this data source, which you can select if you are displaying this section on the home page. So this section can also be visible on home page. All you'll have to do is just select a collection and it is going to display that specific collection, right? And here we have some other settings like product limit, show unavailable variants, meaning if any of the variant is unavailable, you can simply toggle it on and it is going to hide unavailable variant. Currently, all of the variants is available. That is why it is not hiding any of the variant. Now here we have the option of add heading, description, and some other settings like heading alignment, product title, meaning if you want to display the product here, show badges. If you have any sale badge on your product, it's going to display or hide based on this toggle. So if you can toggle it on, it's going to show it up. Otherwise, it's going to hide, right? Here's the product button, which will take you to that variant. So go to that variant, go to specific variant. I'm just showing you as an example that you can basically rename that button as well. And here we have this column option. And we have this option for tablet. And we have this option for the mobile version. So it is completely mobile responsive. If I switch it to the mobile version, we can toggle it based on your preference. So if you want a 2 column, you can display 2 columns. Otherwise, you can simply just display 1 column. So a lot of settings in this section, which I'll show you how you can add on your collection page, step-by-step process. Here we have this image ratio, right? And all of these are color settings, which you can change based on your theme requirement, right? And we have this custom CSS if you want to add the custom CSS. Now, let me show you how you can add that. So I'm going to first add a fresh theme in order to show you guys it's going to work completely fine on all of the latest Horizon theme. I've tested in a few of the themes. Horizon, what do you call it? Italia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, it can also work on the paid theme as well, but I haven't tested it. Let me know in the comments below if you have implemented on the paid theme and it's working fine. I have tested it on the free versions. So I'm going to test it on the Saver theme. Let's click on add and install the Saver theme. While this is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and you want your store for just $1 a month, there's a link in the description. You can sign up through that link and avail a $1 per month offer using that link. Limited time offer, make sure to avail that offer. Okay guys, our Saver theme has been installed. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. Now, if I preview this theme by clicking on these 3 small dots and then preview, you can see I have these 2 collections. Collection 1, again, it's going to show just 1 product, not the variants, just the product. Both of the collections showing the same thing. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new template, assign it to collection 1, and then add this custom section and show you along the way, right? So let's first create a new template. And in order to create a new template, let's click on edit theme. And then this drop down menu. And from this drop down, click on this collection and then click on create template. I'm going to name it variant as separate product. Okay, it does have 25 character limit. So let's say variant as separate. Easy. Click on create template. And now I am going to add a new section after adding the section via code. So click on these 3 small dots and then go to code editor. So that is the code editor. By the way, guys, if you already have the store and you are struggling with sales, we have created a volume discount app, which can help you add tier discount or volume discount on your store, and you can boost or increase your average order volume. And the app name is Big Bulk Discount. So search for Big Bulk Discount Shopify. You will find this app. Pretty easy app to implement. Very simple app. All you have to do is just add in the tiers and show the widget on the product page. Check it out. Okay, now let's add in this section. So go to this section part and click on this arrow here, right? And add in a new section by clicking on this plus sign. I'm going to name it separate product section. You can name it whatever you want. Name of the section is not relevant anymore. So after adding the name of the file and .liquid after that file, hit enter. And our file is created. Now here's the blog post. You will find the link in the video description, completely free. No bullshit of signing up any newsletter, no paid walls, completely free. Go to that link and all you have to do is just copy this code. Now I've also added this in the GitHub. So if you are a developer, not a merchant, my viewers of this channel is mostly the merchants, small Shopify merchants or medium-sized merchants who are trying to sell the products via Shopify. But if you are a developer, you can click on this link and find out all of the code and also add in your contributions, fork the repository, give it a star, or add new features on the same section. So that is how I'm going to add new sections. So I have created this new repository called Shopify sections, and I'm going to add all of the free sections on this repository. So keep forking, keep giving me stars, and you will get more sections completely for free. This is just the first section which I've added in GitHub, but I already have a lot of sections in the YouTube channel, but I'm going to add all of those in the GitHub as well because they are already completely free. So if you haven't checked out the other sections, I have created a lot of other sections completely for free. Subscribe the channel and check out those other sections as well. Okay, now let's copy the code here and go back to the file which we created. I'm gonna paste the code here and then click on save. Right? So that's all you needed to do. Just copy the code from this article, which you will find in the description by clicking on this copy code button, and then paste it after creating this new file under sections folder. Once you create that and go back to your customized settings and hit refresh, and then click on add section, you will find this custom section here, which says show variant as separate product, right? Now, if I add that and hide the default collection section here by clicking on this I button here, and you can see that we have our product showing up as a separate variant, right? Now, if I click on save and go back to my collection, hit refresh, it still doesn't show the separate variant because we haven't assigned the template to the collection. We have created the template, but haven't yet assigned it to the specific collection. So how you can do that? Let's go back and click on products. Here you have collections, and in collections, you can see I have this one collection. If I click on, I have this two collections, and for collection one, I want to show variant as separate products. So I'm going to click on collection one and select the template which we created, separate variant. So that's the template which we created. Click on save. It's already saved. If we go back to collection 1 and hit refresh, you can see that we have product showing up as a separate variant. Now, if I switch it back, click save, go back and hit refresh, it's again showing the default mode. So it's that simple. Simply copy the code. So first step is to create a template, right? Second step is to edit code and then add this code section. And third step is to add that section on that template which you created. And fourth step is to select the template on that collection. It's that simple. And if you want to display this section on the home page as well, that's going to work completely fine. So if I go to the theme customizer, so let's click on this Shopify icon and click on customize theme. And now if I want to add into the home page, let's say I want to add it below here. So click on add section, click on this custom section which we created. And it's currently not showing up because it's on the home page, and we will have to add the data source, meaning we'll have to select which collection we want to display. I'm simply going to select collection 1. And there you go. You can see we have the product showing separately, show variant as separate products in our home page as well. So it's that simple, completely free section available, link in the description. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.